Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, as you see, I have received an ATM from SBI since the old ATM was expired. So friends, in this video I am going to show you how to generate ATM pin through YONO app and how to activate the ATM card. So let's start. At first you have to open YONO SBI app in your mobile phone. And then you have to log into the app. After login, you have to tap on cards option. See, this is the card option. You just need to tap on cards. Under my cards, you will find SBI debit card, SBI credit card, SBI prepaid card. Now, since my card is debit card, so I have to click my debit cards option. And then you will see the details of the card. Now to set pin, you have to click on set or reset ATM pin button. And then you have to enter here new pin. After entering the new pin, just click on next button. Then you have to verify the OTP. Enter the OTP that you will get in your registered mobile number and then click submit button. You will get a message successful. Your ATM pin has been successfully generated. So friends, in this way we can generate ATM card pin through YONO SBI app. Now to activate the ATM card pin, you have to switch back to the home button through the hammer icon. Now again you have to click on card option. After that you have to click on my debit cards. And now you have to click on active card option. And now you have to click on yes button. And now you have to enter the card number. After entering the card number, you have to click on next button. Now you have to enter the OTP that you will receive in your registered mobile number, and then you have to click on submit button. Now you will get a successful message. Your card has been activated. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.